Dropped calls are disconnections during a mobile voice call, often due to poor signal or network issues. As of October 2025, dropped calls have decreased due to 5G adoption, which offers better signal and faster handovers. However, they still occur, especially in rural areas or during network upgrades. To minimize them, ensure you're in an area with good signal strength. Weak signals below 100 dBm can cause drops. Network congestion and misconfigured APN settings are also factors. Prioritize using 5G networks whenever available, as they are designed for greater call stability compared to 4G LTE. Make sure your phone is on the correct network band, such as LTE for VoLTE, and avoid areas known for poor coverage. Enable HD voice using VoLTE in your phone's settings. VoLTE transmits voice as data packets over 4G 5G networks, improving audio quality and call stability. Most carriers now require VoLTE for optimal performance. If experiencing issues, start with basic troubleshooting. First, check your signal strength using network indicators. Then, toggle airplane mode on and off to reset connections. Forget and rejoin your Wi-Fi network, or perform a full network reset through your phone's settings menu. This clears corrupted network configurations. For persistent issues, use AI-driven diagnostics in apps like Google's Phone app, which can suggest fixes. As a last resort, check SIM card health and ensure your phone's software is up to date. If problems continue, contact your carrier for support. Remember, VoLTE is the cornerstone for call stability in 5G networks, ensuring reliable voice communications.